Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Twitter settings to see the sensitive content. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So this process you need to follow on any browser. You cannot do this in your Twitter app. So I'm going to simply open my Chrome browser and log in on my account on Twitter. So once you log in, you simply need to click on your profile picture here and click on settings and support. Click here and click on settings and privacy. So once you are here, you simply need to click on privacy and safety and click on content you see. So here you can see display media that may contain sensitive content. You simply need to check mark this box and then you simply need to click on search settings, and here you can see hide sensitive content, so you simply need to uncheck that. So after that you are able to see sensitive content on Twitter. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.